Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we are talking about insects. So let's get started. How do you like insects? Is a question that you could come up. You could simply say, I'm not a big fan of insects, to be honest. They tend to make me feel a bit uncomfortable. Or, insects don't particularly fascinate me. I find them somewhat unsettling due to their diverse appearances and behaviors. Are there many different insects where you live? Yes, there are quite a few different insects around my area, especially during the warmer months. Or, absolutely, the region I reside in boasts a wide variety of insects, particularly when the climate becomes more temperate. Another question you could be asked is, do you think insects are useful? I'm not sure about how useful they are, but I've heard that some insects play important roles in ecosystems. Or, insects hold significant ecological roles. Many of them are crucial pollinators, while others aid in decomposing organic matter, contributing to the balance of nature. That's all the questions we have today. Next up is our reading passage. Now, please read along with me at home. This is intended to give you more insight into the topic, so for you to be informed if the question arises in your test. So, insects make up a staggering portion of the Earth's biodiversity. They dominate the animal kingdom in terms of sheer numbers, and they inhabit virtually every corner of the globe, adapting to a wide range of environments. Insects perform a host of ecosystem services that are indispensable to the balance of nature. Pollination, particularly by bees and butterflies, is a key service provided by insects. Without these pollinators, many plant species and global food production would be affected. They ensure continuous energy and nutrient recycling within ecosystems, and insects excel at breaking down organic matter, playing a vital role in nutrient cycling. Beetles and ants are efficient decomposers, enriching the soil and sustaining plant growth. Insects face numerous challenges such as habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and pesticide use. These threats impact insect populations worldwide and disrupt ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect the delicate web of life that depends on insects. Learning about their behaviors, benefits, and challenges helps us make informed decisions for conservation. Understanding the significance of insects becomes crucial in protecting our planet's ecosystems. Not all insects may be considered favorable or beautiful, but their roles are essential. Insects are crucial and diverse creatures that play vital roles in ecosystems around the world. Appreciating their importance and addressing the challenges they face is key to their conservation. By protecting insects, we contribute to the health and sustainability of our planet. Right, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions for you to take into your everyday English use. Biodiversity, ecosystem, vital roles, adaptation, and finally, our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting these in your own words at home. How do you like insects? Instead, you say, do you have a favorable opinion of insects? Are there many different insects where you live? Do you come across various types of insects in your locality? Or do you think insects are useful? Instead, do you believe insects serve a purpose? In our statements, insects play vital roles in maintaining ecosystem balance and biodiversity. What about insects have crucial roles in upholding the balance and biodiversity of ecosystems? Insects are remarkable creatures that adapt to various environments. What about insects are fascinating beings that can adjust to different surroundings? And lastly, paraphrasing descriptions. You're on your own for that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.